Sometimes when fishing in Florida, you gotta get creative. The winds, the weather, lots of factors can push you away from your normal spots you usually fish. So with 25 to 30 mile per hour winds today, we had to find a place that would be sheltered and protect us from the wind. So the logical spot would be to find an inshore area that didn't have a ton of open water, that maybe had some structure like a bridge. So that's just what we did. We went off the beaten path and we found an old railroad bridge that looked like it would be protected from the wind and should hold some really good fish. So let's get down there and get started. All right, guys, we're at one of my shore crab spots. We're gonna try and catch some bait for tomorrow morning. A lot of times there'll be some big, juicy shore crabs underneath these rocks. So let's go see if we can find any.
My favorite bridge bait is live crabs, and my favorite crab to use at the bridges are shore crabs.
All right, here we go. I can find a couple here. Oh gosh, dang it. Here we go. All right. Gotta be ready and quick. If they move fast. Oh yeah, there's a good one. See, that's what we want. Maybe another one. Oh yeah, there's a couple. There's one. God dang it. These guys are quick today. Son of a biscuit. Got him. All right, guys. That's not bad. Got some nice juicy ones in there. All right, that's a pretty good haul of crabs. Got one more spot we're gonna hit later this afternoon, and then we should be ready. I think we're gonna get in some drum today. You've never caught a black drum here? That's weird. You know it's gonna be the first thing we catch now. All right, guys, welcome back. Today we are in Pensacola, Florida, at a bridge I've never fished before. Kind of excited. There goes a wake right there. Big fish. Sorry. Anyway, it's that time of year. It's October. That means maybe some sheep's head are around. We got some shore crabs. You saw the ones I picked up. Got some fiddler crabs, got some artificials. So we're just gonna go up and down the bridge here, see what we can hook up with. Hopefully catch some big fish. But let's get to fishing. All right, what are we gonna drop first? I'm gonna use my Frisky Fins knocker jig, and we'll see how much current we got. And I'm gonna get a big juicy shore crab right there. There we go. Got him. Break off that claw. Run that hook right there through where we broke the claw off. And then work it through the top of the shell without cracking it. Boom. We are in business. Look at that guy. That's beautiful. It's good to be back on the kayak. I hadn't kayak fished in a little while, so looking forward to this. See if I still got it. All right, see how much. Got some current. Oh yeah, tighten that up. I forgot.
In case you don't recognize him, that's Yakking with Jack I'm fishing with today. So you guys go check out his YouTube channel.
I'm on. Feels like maybe a little, oh no, it's a good sheep. Whoa! He's dogging me. Oh no, it's a drum. I told you.
No way.
Yep. Puppy drum. Ah, all right. First catch. Glad it wasn't a big drum because I was in a bad spot there. Really? There we go. All right. Got that loose. All right. First catch of the trip. All right. So we're going to let him go. Get him back in. Let's get him. There he goes. Swimming off. All right. Broke the ice. All right. My gear today that I'm using on this rod is a loose speed spool bait caster. I got TASLINE braid. I think it's the 20-pound equivalent. And I'm using a 15-pound fluorocarbon leader and a Frisky Fins knocker jig. So that pretty much sums up. Oh, getting a bite, getting a bite. Oh! There we go. Oh! Dang it. Screwed up again.
It was actually kind of a difficult place to fish. The bridge was so low, and you had to get underneath it to get to the fish. It made it tough setting the hook.
Are you serious? I suck. Look at that guy. I mean, that is a beauty. We catch the only 2 fish here?
Watch Jack set the hook here, but you gotta watch real close.
That little like weak ass hooks that I can't.
That was, I'm so glad I got that on film.
It was sheephead though. I got crumbs.
I already got the title to the reel. How to set the hook like a man.
Ow!
So the bite was pretty slow, so I decided to switch to my custom Frisky Fins rod with my ultralight setup. It's got 10-pound braid on it, and I was going to switch to a split shot rig. I was going to use a 12-pound fluorocarbon leader with just one little split shot on it. Try and make the bait look as natural as possible.
Here we go.
Here you go, get him.
He just stole it. I waited too long. Waited too long. Oh, yeah. Ow! God dang it.
I missed one too, Sean. It's crazy how. You ever notice that some sheepheads bite like that? Like
Simultaneously. They're in sync. 1, 2, 3, bite! The last shore crab. There we go. Got him. Finally, second fish. Not that big. Feels like a sheep. Fighting like a sheephead. Oh yeah. Nice sheep. Dark sheep's head. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop it. Nice little keeper size sheep's head. So cute little sheep's head, not a baby, but not the size I would normally keep. He legal, but we're gonna let him go. Good looking sheep. Really? So is this. Oh! He got me on the piling. I couldn't get my boat in reverse. God dang it. That was a good fish, man. Ooh, what? Yeah. Yeah, I told him that was the only way I'd do it. Yeah. That's a decent one. Finally. Oh, hey, easy. Easy, bud. You're gonna fin me. All right. Have to put on a new hook. Let you guys get a good look at this guy. All right, so nice, another pretty sheep. Oh, and before I get finned, I'm gonna get this guy back in the water. There we go. He gone.
So the lighter setup seemed to be paying off.
All right, got another sheep. Another sheep. Let's see if we can get him in without netting him. Yep, little guy. Little guy. Ouch. All right, got him. Whew. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. All right. Got another nice sheep's head there, guys. Not big enough to, he'd probably be a legal keeper, but I wouldn't keep one that size. So we're gonna get him back in. It's just kind of a slow, consistent bite today. No real big flurries. Got him. I think I got him. Ooh, that's a good one, whatever it is. Oh, I think it's a nice keeper puppy drum. All right, we got our keeper fish. All right. All right, guys. Got our nice eater drum. He's gonna keep nicely, make a good dinner. So, I'm gonna get him bled. Might do a catch and cook. Maybe I'll film it. I don't know. Maybe. But either way, end the day, nice little good eater puppy drum. Lots of sheep's head today. Lost some monster fish. That was brutal. I lost some really, really good fish today. But it was fun. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, go like and subscribe. Tight lines, everybody. I'll see you on the next one.